Hello, welcome to this channel. My name is Enoch. Today we will continue in our series on networking, and we'll be looking at the upper layers of the OSI model. The upper layers of the OSI model refer to the section layer, which is the layer 5, the presentation layer, which is the layer 6, and the application layer, which is the layer 7. These layers are more closely related to software applications and user interactions, unlike the lower layers that deal with data transmission and physical connectivity. Let's look at these layers one after the other. Layer 7, which is the application layer, is the topmost layer of the OSI model and serves as the interface between the user and the network. It provides network services directly to the application processes running on a device. Network services like your DNS, which is your domain name system for resolving domain name to IP address, your dynamic host configuration protocol for assigning IP addresses, to devices on the network, and so on and so forth. So this layer provide a way for users to interact with the network through applications, your web browsers, your email client, and so on. It supports application services like file transfer, email, remote login, and network management. It's also enable users to share resources like files and printers, over the network. And some of the protocols that operate in this layer include your HTTP, which is your hypertext transfer protocol, your file transfer protocol, which is your FTP, your domain name system, which is your DNS, your DHCP, which is your dynamic host configuration protocol. Let's go to layer 6, which is the presentation layer. This layer 6 is responsible for data translation, encryption, and compression. It ensures that the data from the application layer is in a format that the network can understand, and vice versa. So it converts data into a format that can be understood. For example, during encoding character set like ASCII to Unicode, it provides security by encrypting data before transmission and decrypting them upon reception. And it also reduces the size. It is used to also reduce the size of data to save bandwidth, during transmission. That's during your compression and decompression. And some of the standard, that is used in this layer 6 include your JPEG, which is for your image format, your PNG, your MP3 for audio format, your SSL and your TLS, which is your secure socket layer, or your transport layer security. So let's move to layer 5, which is the section layer. This layer establishes, manages, and terminates communication section between two systems or devices. For example, we may have many web pages that are open and many sections coming in. The section layer keep track of all of those sections. Some of the protocols that operate in this layer include your PPTP, which is your point-to-point tunnel system, your remote procedure call, which is your RPT. So you can look at your application layer as like the interface you see, and your presentation layer as a translator, and your session layer as a meeting organizer. And that's that for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.